My name is Arthur O'Brien. I'm the Managing Director of C+W O'Brien Architects. I'd like to thank everyone for coming along here so early in the morning, and thank Alan Hoare and CIAT for hosting this event and for asking me to take part. I'm delighted to be joined by a panel of knowledgeable and experienced people in the whole modular and off-site construction world. It's pretty obvious that modular and off-site construction is having a bit of a moment. The global modular market expected to hit $215 billion by 2025, according to the Frost and Sullivan reports. Our neighbours in the UK are taking a very proactive approach to off-site and modular construction. The UK Housing Minister, Esther McVey, has set a target of building over 100,000 modular homes by 2020. The UK government has also appointed a champion of modern methods of construction to oversee and lead the UK's modernisation of construction. Here at home, there's obviously a growing interest in modular and off-site construction, particularly in the residential sector. In CW O'Brien Architects, we first began working with modular projects around 2014, beginning our own modular journey. Our first project was in Dublin Docklands, where we used just 7 modular units. From there, we quickly moved out to Sandyford for our student housing project. There has over 850 modular units. And we're currently working with some full volumetric modular, try and say that after, fully volumetric modular units on residential schemes for over 1,000 units in West Dublin. So given the interest in modular solutions, we now design all of our residential projects in modular and also in traditional from the outset. So this allows us to tender both modular and a traditional option simultaneously, meaning that we can get the best financial results and delivery solutions for our clients. Looking forward to 2020 and beyond, we are definitely seeing a significant shift in the interest in modular construction in Ireland, and there are a number of reasons why this might be the case. Modular construction has a lot of potential benefits to offer the construction industry, including cost. The McKinsey report will tell you that's up to a 20% saving, but perhaps a 10 to 15% loss if it's not done properly. Time is one of the major advantages of modular. Time savings of 30 to 50% means you can get your rent roll and your rent return in your building much faster. Quality is obviously a huge factor. Factory control production increases the quality of the build and makes testing and certification more easily achieved. Health and safety is obviously a huge benefit as well. So given the current state of the Irish housing market and the scarcity of skilled resources, it's not surprising that the interest in modular and off-site construction is growing so fast. Having worked with many of the Irish stakeholders in the off-site sector and visited a number of excellent facilities, I know that modular and off-site construction has a strong future here in Ireland. So without further ado, I'm going to introduce you to some of those knowledgeable people that I mentioned at the start. I'm just going to maybe tell you a little bit about each of them. So we have, I'll just swap to my glasses, the text has suddenly gotten small. So we have Declan Wallace from Evolution Innovation. Declan is the founder and CEO of Evolution Innovation, specialising in high-level consultancy in modern methods of construction, in which Declan is recognised internationally as a leading expert for the last 15 years. Ross Griffith from Comos. Ross has a BSc and MBA in construction management from the College of Estate Management in Reading University, and an MRICS and MCIOB, member of those two organisations. His passion is progress for changing the way we deliver projects through technology and progressing the Nordic understanding of quantity surveying profession. Herb S. is with Cogent Associates. Herb has over 20 years experience. He's acted in a variety of roles on a wide range of projects, including project management and employers' representative services. His qualifications include MSc in Civil Engineering and Urbanism, MSc in Geotechnical Engineering, and an MBA from UCD Smucker School of Business. Our very own William Power from CW O'Brien Architects He's a director of CW O'Brien, so he has extensive experience in architectural practice spanning over 20 years. William specialises in the technical coordination, contract, programme management, along with digital and project delivery. He currently sits on the NSAI and BIM steering committees. In 2012, William completed the MSc in Architecture through the University of East London. He's also completed a diploma in Construction Law in the Law Society of Ireland. He's currently part of the team in CW O'Brien Architects, leading research and development into the use of modern methods of construction. Last but not least then is Barry McCauley, CIAT and TU Dublin. Barry is a chartered construction project manager and full-time lecturer in digital construction, an engineer within the School of Multidisciplinary Technologies and Technological University Dublin. Barry spent 2 years working as a primary postdoctoral researcher on the CIAT-led Enterprise Ireland, funding BIM Innovation Capability and Programme of Ireland. He's had a significant body of work published in industry reports, conference proceedings and journal papers. Barry has also been named as one of Autodesk's 40 under 40 in BIM, and he's the only person in Ireland, I think, to be on that list, so well done to him.